Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about Seroburn, a revolutionary supplement that's transforming lives all across America. And the best part? You can get a bottle for free. The link is in the video description, so don't wait. Check it out and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this. Seroburn is a potent blend of 18 powerful ingredients that work 24/7 to support weight control. It helps boost serotonin production, addressing one of the most common causes of weight gain, those uncontrollable cravings for carbs. All of this comes with the guarantee of a premium product proudly made in the USA under the most rigorous quality standards. In addition to promoting natural weight loss, Seroburn is safe and effective, with carefully selected ingredients designed to deliver real results. And you know what's even better? We're offering you a free bottle to try it out. That's right. You only need to cover the basic costs, and you'll also receive two amazing bonuses. The guide Eat Smart and Lose Weight, the ultimate guide to making healthy juices. These bonuses are worth over $200, but you get everything for free with Seroburn. This is your chance to transform your life with a natural and effective weight loss solution. Don't miss this opportunity. The link to claim your free Seroburn is in the video description. Take advantage of it and experience all the benefits so many people are already enjoying. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates. With Seroburn, you can rediscover the joy of healthy living and achieve your weight goals. Don't wait. Click the link now and start your journey toward a lighter, healthier life. See you in the next video.